Good evening. I'll read each topic as a short, listener-friendly script. Each topic is summarized in 3 to 4 clear sentences, without omitting the key details. Topic 1. Tensions with Iran and related energy and transport risks. The IEA's head warned this is the largest energy security threat in history, saying around 13 million barrels per day of supply have effectively vanished, and that a blockade or control of the Strait of Hormuz has seriously disrupted global crude and refined product shipments. Sea attacks and renewed seizures by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, plus tighter U.S. military interdiction, have raised shipping risks, driven up insurance and freight costs, and left timing for safe resumption of routes uncertain. The IEA and members agreed to release 400 million barrels of emergency stocks as a temporary relief measure, but Brent has climbed back above $100 and WTI around 92 to 93, fueling inflationary pressure across transport and industry. Europe is warned of looming jet fuel shortages given heavy Middle East refining dependence. Airlines are cutting capacity. Lufthansa plans to cancel about 20,000 short-haul flights to save roughly 40,000 tons of jet fuel. And the longer the disruption lasts, the greater the prospects for supply chain reconfiguration, higher insurance and freight rates, and sustained cost pressures. Topic 2. Warner Bros. Discovery shareholders approve the Paramount Skydance merger. Warner Bros. Discovery shareholders overwhelmingly approved the proposed sale to Paramount Skydance, a deal that offers about $31 per WBD share and is reported at roughly $110 billion including debt, with net price figures around $77 to $81 billion appearing in different reports. The shareholder vote clears a major hurdle, but does not finish the process. U.S. DOJ, state attorneys general, and European regulators are reviewing the transaction and could demand remedies, divestitures, or face litigation that would delay or modify the deal. A ticking fee structure would raise the price if closing slips past the target date. More than 4,000 Hollywood creators, some lawmakers and state AGs have publicly opposed the merger on competition, diversity, jobs, and news independence grounds. Paramount has pledged editorial safeguards for properties like CNN and outlined plans to combine streaming services and maintain theatrical windows, but critics remain concerned about consolidation and potential job cuts as the merged company tackles heavy debt. Separately, a non-binding shareholder advisory vote rejected certain exit pay proposals for WBD executives, though the board could still pursue payments. Overall, shareholder approval is a major advance, but regulatory and political challenges mean the outcome is not yet assured. Topic 3. AI's growing legal, operational, and infrastructure headaches. A senior lawyer at Sullivan & Cromwell filed court papers containing more than 40 AI-generated errors and false citations, prompting an apology and spotlighting how generative AI can produce dangerous hallucinations in fields that require rigorous fact-checking and judgment. At the same time, the power demands of large AI models and autonomous agents are straining grids and data center capacity. OpenAI cited power consumption as a factor in ending a high-power app, and the fragmented U.S. transmission system limits rapid expansion. Solutions being discussed range from grid upgrades and expanded battery and renewable capacity to more gas or nuclear, and even long-term fusion bets, but permitting and politics complicate scaling. Corporations are doubling down on AI hardware and R&D. Tesla has sharply increased 2026 capital spending to over $25 billion to back Musk's AI, robotics, and autonomous taxi ambitions, and SpaceX's S1 references ambitions around in-house GPU or accelerator work to mitigate chip supply risks. High-profile model security issues emerged when portions of Anthropic's restricted Claude Mythos model were reportedly accessed by outsiders through contractor and Discord vulnerabilities on April 8th. Anthropic,